Good morning. It's September 13th, 2011, a wonderful Tuesday morning, and high pressure is in control. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Now, high pressure is going to remain in control from the Tennessee River Valley all the way through New England, providing excellent weather conditions and somewhat comfortable temperatures above normal for this time of year in the upper 70s to mid 80s, especially over the Delaware River Valley, where temperatures could reach as high as 85 degrees. Normally we should be around the mid to upper 70s, so yes, we are running above normal, but who's really complaining? It's beautiful out. This cold front here, though, is going to create some problems for the northern mid-Atlantic on tomorrow afternoon on through Thursday, and then after this cold front moves through, much cooler conditions will return to the northern mid-Atlantic. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, and you'll see here's our cold front moving through the central Great Lakes, and you'll see one strong disturbance here, and we have another one that's starting to drop down from Canada. These disturbances will start to carve out a deep trough, which by the way will take Tropical Storm Maria and kick it out into the northern Atlantic, but will also bring a polar air mass into the northern mid-Atlantic. What do I mean by polar air mass? How about low temperatures in the 40s? No, not for New York City, but it will be pretty close to New York City in northwestern New Jersey. And for those in Philadelphia, the Poconos definitely will see mid to upper 40s for lows by the time this cold front moves through for Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. So we're looking at a drastic change in temperatures. But the good news, I think, is that we will not see severe thunderstorms with this cold front. We will see some showers, but not severe thunderstorms. Let me show you why. The European model guidance shows something very interesting with this developing trough. Now here we are for this evening, and you can see, move this here, high pressure is starting to give away, and our cold front is slowly approaching. The cold front's right here, and we have a secondary cold front with the real cool air in central Canada approaching this cold front to kind of give it a kickstart to the east. So as we move forward in time, our trough really digs in over the Great Lakes, but notice we really don't have a lot of strong lifting. We have plenty of moisture ahead of this cold front, so that will mean scattered showers will be possible on Wednesday, but they'll be widely scattered because we really just don't have a lot of forcing and lifting in the atmosphere with this cold front yet. Now as we move forward towards Thursday evening, our cold front blasts through, our high pressure system starting to build in. We have showers and some thunderstorms associated with the cold front, but look at the lifting. See this dark red? It's focused towards New England and not the northern mid-Atlantic, and that's important because that means the best dynamics, the best wind shear associated with strong thunderstorms will be focused further to the north in the northern Hudson River Valley and in New England, and not over the northern mid-Atlantic. And that means that scattered showers and a few isolated thunderstorms will be possible, but no real dynamic, strong, severe outbreaks should be expected, or will be expected, should I say, once this cold front moves through. And then I have great news for those who are looking forward to the weekend, which really, who isn't? High pressure is going to be in control all the way through this weekend into early next week with tranquil weather conditions and clear skies. Now we are going to have to watch this upper level low that's going to try to develop with a disturbance off the North Carolina coast that migrates towards New England. Right now I'm expecting the low pressure system to remain over the Atlantic with no significant impacts, maybe some breezy conditions along the coast on Monday and Tuesday. But I think that this upper level low and the associated rainfall with this low pressure system will remain off of the coast and primarily impact portions of extreme eastern New England and the Canadian Maritimes, and not so much the northern mid-Atlantic. And you can see the European guidance really keeps a lot of dry air along the coast at the lower levels and mid levels of the atmosphere. So I think for Friday on through Tuesday we can expect dry conditions and very cool temperatures. So let's just go back to the weekend real fast. Here we are Saturday night. I want you to focus on 850 millibars because these temperatures are pretty cool for this time of year. I mean, we're still in early to mid-September, so we shouldn't really expect temperatures being that cool, but they will be with lows in the mid to upper 40s, perhaps a few lower 50s along the immediate coast, and highs in the mid 60s to around 70 degrees along the immediate coast and in urban locations, which again is about 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. So we are certainly heading towards a much cooler pattern, a cooler air mass in place, a polar air mass, and the one thing you'll notice is relative humidity will be very, very low. So expect crisp, cool, and comfortable weather conditions for this weekend. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for trusting in NYNJPA Weather as your severe weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. You can follow NYNJPA Weather on Twitter, Facebook, and of course at NYNJPAweather.com. Have a great day.